Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? If you are new to the channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Weave, and here on my channel, we coach you through 3 crucial aspects of your life. First, on your personal growth and development. Second, we continuously push you towards professional success as you continue to navigate through your careers in both business and entrepreneurship. Third, we always help you to build, maintain, and nurture long, lasting, and more meaningful relationships. Today, we discuss something that I constantly get asked while doing a coaching session. How to effectively use no contact? You know how I get down. I don't like to waste time, and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. It is never easy to detach yourself from people you've had close ties to, especially in a relationship. But sometimes it's necessary to restore both your sanity and your peace of mind. And you know something? When you move on from a relationship, it can be somewhat therapeutic for you. Because no matter how nasty, bitter, or pissed off you might be, you know what walking away from that relationship means for you personally? It means and forces you to internalize and live with the grief of that breakup. I get it too. It might have been unexpected. Your ex might already be on to the next one. You might be a mess from it and never had any idea in the first place. But to be honest with you, it's probably something you needed in your life, because sometimes you know what happens to us? We begin living in a fantasy world when it comes to what should be, what you should have in your life. And you start convincing yourself that that relationship could have ended any other way than how it actually did. But that's how you begin to cope, right? But now it's over. And now you gotta live with it. Okay, so now what? And this is something that people, when they get done in a relationship, have trouble dealing with and coping with. So what the hell does no contact truly mean? And how do you apply it in your specific situation? Well, first let's start by me giving you a disclaimer. No contact is not a rule to live by. It's not some tactic. It's not some game that you try to play. It's a mentality shift. Wait, what? I said it's a mentality shift. Let me explain. So you broke up, right? What's the hardest thing for someone who just got out of a relationship that meant a lot to you to deal with? Acceptance. And what do you need to accept? That you need to move on. But here's the kicker. You can't just move on. You have to be able to move on and not be able to look back, not take a peek, not a squint, nothing. And moving on from someone you still love is easier said than done, right? But you heard me say earlier, now you gotta sit and live with this grief, right? You know what always makes you seem desperate after a breakup? When you reach back out to your ex after you guys are already over. When you text and call them to meet up so you guys can have the talk. When you still express that you still love them through some cryptic social media post. When you still associate with their friends and close family members. You starting to put 2 and 2 together yet? When I say mentality shift, I'm talking about you sitting with that salty ass attitude, but not moving on by never making an effort to contact them again. Period. End of story. No text, no calls, no DMs, nothing. Because the reality is, whether you want them back or not, or you want answers as to why it's over, whether you want to make an effort to figure out what you could have done differently, you can't possibly move on and get over them while still staying in contact with them. And here's the other thing. You contacting them does nothing to change your circumstances right now, other than seeing that you are still the same person that you were when you guys were still together. When you are someone who's used to overextending yourself to accommodate and make other people in your life feel comfortable, you think that continuing to do that when something ends will make things better, when in actuality, it makes it 10 times worse. And remember, you are doing this for you. This mentality shift, this no contact, is for you. For me to do what, Weave? To get over it. But wait, Weave, how long should I wait and go no contact? Well, as Buzz Lightyear once said, to infinity and beyond. But wait, Weave, it was easy for me to walk away. How do I keep from going back? From having enough pride to understand that you are being desperate by running back to what broke you in the first place? Because that is what you are doing right now, right? You're upset, you're pissed off, you're salty, you're probably confused, you're frustrated, and you're anxious, as you naturally should be. But now what's your goal? How exactly are you gonna proceed and move forward after this? First, by finding productive use of your off time. Probably when you were in that relationship, other things in your life suffered. You weren't as active. You weren't as in tune with your friends and your family. You didn't spend as much time alone. You didn't focus as much on your business or your career. You didn't personally grow because you were so invested in the two of you, that you lost yourself in that relationship. So now you have to reclaim your sense of normalcy and sanity alone. Stop looking for a quick fix. Stop looking for your damn phone every 5 minutes to try to see if they text or called you, hoping for some random call. Move on and get refocused on you. Remember who the hell you are and stop being and feeling desperate for something that has you this upset. Use the energy to level up your life, to upgrade your life. You are not defined by one man or woman who is no longer in your life. No regrets, just lessons. No more worries, just acceptance. No expectations, just gratitude for you being alive. Life is too short for you to be focused on what you can't control. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. And if no one has told you this already today, come on now, I appreciate you. If you found some value in this video today, make sure that you like, comment, share the video as well. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom and become an official part of the squad. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.